In the world of SAP, the sales order delivery process with scheduling agreements is essential for smooth, on time deliveries. Here's how it works. It starts with creating a scheduling agreement using transaction code VA31. This is where you enter the customer and material details, setting up the foundation for the order. Imagine a car manufacturer who needs a steady supply of brake pads. They'll schedule regular deliveries through this agreement, saving time on creating individual orders. Next, maintain schedule lines using VA32, where you specify delivery dates and quantities. For instance, the car manufacturer may schedule 10,000 brake pads every 2 weeks to align with production needs. This keeps inventory organized and ensures no gaps in supply. With the schedule in place, it's time to create the delivery document using VL10A or VL10C. This step triggers the delivery creation for those scheduled quantities, moving the order closer to fulfillment. After generating the delivery, confirm picking and packing in VL02N, checking that the right quantities are prepared for shipment. Accuracy is key here. Imagine the impact on production if the manufacturer received fewer brake pads than needed. Then post the goods issue PGI in VL02N, updating your inventory to reflect that the goods have shipped. This automatically updates stock levels and accounting entries, keeping everything in sync. The next step is creating the customer invoice in VF01. Based on the delivery document, SAP generates the invoice so the car manufacturer can review and process payment. Finally, record the incoming payment in F28, completing the financial cycle for this order. This SAP process integrates materials planning, inventory management, and finance, ensuring a smooth flow from order to payment. This entire flow keeps everyone in sync, from inventory teams to finance, ensuring that deliveries happen on time, reducing manual tasks, and boosting customer satisfaction. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand SAP sales order processing, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more SAP tips and insights.